On Wednesday, February 8, 2017, Cook County Board President Tony Preckwinkle held a news conference to express her shared concerns regarding the White House and Congress's proposed changes to both the Affordable Care Act and immigration policies that would ultimately affect county residents.
We're now almost 3 weeks into the Trump administration, and it's been a sobering 3 weeks for me. I'm deeply troubled by much of what I've seen so far. Not just by how it'll impact Cook County, but what it means for our country. The decisions being made and the rhetoric being used are both disturbing and contrary to my core values. From the President's seeming determination to roll back the clock on health care reform to his clear intent to roll back our immigration policy to the dark days of isolationism, to the stated positions of some of his cabinet appointees, we're left wondering what kind of country we live in. I'm a history teacher by profession. I've been involved in political campaigns since the 1960s, and I understand that elections have consequences. Those who didn't understand that before November 8th, or who approached the election with rose-colored glasses or to send a message, are learning this lesson now. I want to focus on two areas of concern to us in Cook County. I've spoken to you before about the Affordable Care Act, which has been a godsend to more than 20 million Americans. Between Medicaid expansion plans, such as our own county care program, and the marketplace plans, the Affordable Care Act covered about 480,000 Cook County residents in 2016. County Care, our own managed care Medicaid expansion program, serves 140,000 residents who were previously uninsured or underinsured. For the first time, many of these residents are receiving quality preventive health care through county care. Additionally, county care has the beneficial impact of improving the county's finances, as we've been able to reduce the taxpayer allocation to health and hospital system by $300 million since 2010. We've heard the President and members of Congress talk about repeal and replace, and now repair. The one R that's missing is reality. You know, the Republicans voted more than 60 times in the House to repeal the Affordable Care Act, but apparently during that period never thought about what they might replace it with. Now there's the President's approach to immigration. It's hard to know where to start. His seeming disdain for immigrants who live among us, or his Muslim ban, and make no mistake, it's a ban. Cook County is a sanctuary county. We're proud of it. We have been for 10 years. We've been very clear that we'll follow the law, but we will not be immigration enforcement agents. As for the Muslim ban, it's shameful, period. Democracy is not about acting impulsively, public shaming of those who disagree with you, or making policy by tweets. We're grateful to the judges who recognize the need to ensure the rule of law, and we're hopeful that the ultimate ruling will overturn the ban. Let me also be clear that Cook County will continue to be a welcoming place for all people, and that while we will comply with applicable laws, we will remain protective of our residents' rights.
This has been a look inside Cook County.